Hi to everybody. After a long time, I'm going to upload this video. This is a small video. In this video, we are going to see how to convert an image in your folder to a red color or to a green color or to a blue color. Let's see how to do it by using Python language. Okay, for that purpose, you need to install Anaconda and open Jupyter. I'm doing it in Jupyter itself. So you need three libraries. Okay, you have to import the OS as you are dumping the path of the particular image, and you by using the computer vision techniques you are going to show the image or you are going to read the image. So you have to import computer vision, import CV2, and we are going to perform the operations on the image array. Okay, so we know that any image contains some pixel values, right? So we are going to change those values, and by changing those values we are going to get an image which is totally blue or which is totally green and which is totally red. Okay, so first I'm going to run the first block, which is the library block. Let's see. uh, so we're going to Okay, now you can see here I have read the image path by using cv2.imread. Now this image will be in this image variable. So after printing the image, you can see that the values are ranging from like 180 and 130. Generally we have the values of an image from 0 to 255, as the pixel or contrast value is in that range. So we can see the picture is converted into now an array. Okay, so we can see 118, 130, 140 like that. So let us see, let us convert into a numpy so that we can do operations faster. Okay, so now as we take in the numpy, we are converting this image array into the numpy array. For that I have used np.copy. In that we have given the image variable. So now in this green tinted image we are going to have these values, which is a numpy array now. Okay, so if we run this block now, I'm going to show you here we don't know the shape, like how many rows it is having, how many columns it is having, how many channels it is having. As it is a color image, we can have three channels. Okay, so let us see how many are there. Okay, I'm going to run this block. Now we can see that this image which is here converted by using computer vision techniques is uh, dumped into the green tinted image. Now we printed in the second line, we have printed the that particular image. We can see the same values, we can see the same values, but we don't know the shape of that particular image. Now I'm going to show you the shape. As numpy arrays has a method called shape, we can get the shape. Here we can see that the image is at 224 comma 224 comma 3. What are they? The first 224 indicates that it is having that many number of rows, and the 224 in the second index, the one index where it is showing is it is having, okay, it is having 224 columns. And in the third, it 3 indicating is that as we are converting a color image, it is having 3 channels like red, green, blue. So here you can see that I'm in the first channel. I kept all these pixel values into 0. So now the blue channel is totally changed into totally vanished. uh, in the same way I converted the red channel pixel values into 0. Now if we see the shape of that particular image, we can observe that these pixel values are converted into zeros. Now let us see the original image and the converted image by using the computer vision commands like cv2.imshow. I'm going to run this command. It is converting. The star symbol indicates that the kernel software is running. Thing here, yes, we can say this is the original image. So the converted image is this. Okay, in the similar way we can convert. Now I'm going to convert the image into blue color, let us say. So for that purpose I'm taking out the blue color, right? So I'm commenting that. Now if we observe, the conversion is happened for that particular array, and now again I'm going to show you. Okay, I have to click 0. I have to click 0 so that kernel software stops. I'm sorry. Now you can see here this channel has the pixels and the other channels don't. So now the image, if I show you the image, okay, okay, now let us see. You can observe that this image is totally converted into blue. Okay, so in this way we can convert any image into the respective color. Thank you.